We are assembling the A7 Pail pop-up. Okay, so we've got 3 little birds in this. I've already put together 2 of them. We've got all of our pieces of snow here and our poinsettia. So I'm going to start by putting the poinsettia together. And I'm just going to offset my leaves here. Sorry about the phone. Put my center on. And then glue all of this to my green. Okay, there's my first piecing, and now my bird and all of his little pieces. This piece is the one you want to start with. You're going to line that up to the top of his tail feather and the top of his head. The next piece you're going to put on is his beak. And then his little front there. Okay, so that's how he goes. Now, the file includes a liner for the inside, which I did in white. And that not only allows you to use a darker cardstock, but it balances out the weight of the front and the back of the card. And then this liner, and I've done mine in blue. Oh, I didn't put his wing on. Sorry about that. Let's take a moment and give this poor bird his wing so he can fly. There we go. Okay. All right. So I've got my snow, and you'll notice that there's a curve right here. Now, I designed it for this to kind of sit there in the curve like that. And this curved piece of snow, whoops, I have that upside down, you put right here, and that gives the illusion of the front side of the pail. Gives you the depth, okay? You've got 2 pieces shaped like this. The smaller one goes on the spout, the bigger one on the handle. And then these are for your flower. And your flower goes, you can just kind of move it around to where you like it. I can put that there. I don't know if I want to use the second one, maybe like that. I'm just kind of laying things out so I can see where I want them to be. And I think I'm going to put one bird kind of lower. Make sure this is all in frame. I'll push this forward a little bit. And then I'm going to put this bird here. And I'm going to put him right there. I think I like that. So I'm going to add my snow pieces to my pail. Don't want to lose them. I'm going to glue my pail in place. There we go. And now my snow. I'm gonna go ahead and glue my snow. And I want to pop up my poinsettia. And this bird I'm gonna glue down. Wait. Maybe glue that one down and this one up. Yes. Thinking of my depth. So I'm just going to have him sit right in this little lull there. There's a little curve. I have him sitting right in the curve. And I'm going to pop this one up. Going to be right there. And then I think I will also pop up this one. And there it is. It's a sweet, simple little card. You can add a little stamp, and that is the A7 Robin Pail card. Thank you for joining me.